Ready to see what hyper-luxury really looks like in America? Meet the 2026 Rolls Royce Phantom Limousine, a $520,000 plus sanctuary with a 563 HP V12, cloud-like ride, and a cabin hand-built for royalty. From gold-crowned exclusivity to whisper-quiet speed, this tour will redefine luxury. Stay, every detail will surprise you, all the way. Co-pilot said, "This is the 2026 Rolls Royce Phantom Limousine. This is the 2026 Rolls Royce Phantom Limousine, the modern embodiment of hyper-luxury. It arrives with unmistakable curbside presence, a silhouette carved for graceful entrances, and an interior tailored to the tastes of the world's wealthiest clients. Estimated pricing starts around $520,000 and can approach $600,000, depending on body style and commissions. Built to be chauffeur-driven, the Phantom offers regular and extended wheelbase versions, inviting passengers to recline, relax, and experience extraordinary quiet. Under its vast hood lives prodigious power, a silken 6.7-liter twin-turbocharged V12 producing 563 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. An 8-speed automatic sends power to the rear wheels, delivering acceleration that is brisk yet unhurried. Estimates place the Sprint to 60 miles per hour at 4.5 seconds for the standard car and 4.6 seconds for the extended wheelbase, with a governed top speed of 155 miles per hour. But performance is only part of the story. The Phantom practically levitates, gliding as if carried aloft on a cloud. A pothole-spotting camera scans the road ahead, helping the suspension adapt to imperfections in real time. Delicate inputs to throttle and steering yield the most rewarding ride, and passengers are cocooned in library-quiet serenity. It is best experienced gently, with the world hushed behind carefully engineered insulation, utterly, deeply serene. Fuel economy is frankly secondary for Phantom owners, and the figures reflect that reality. The EPA rates it at 12 miles per gallon in the city and 19 on the highway, with a 14 mile per gallon combined estimate. Conspicuous consumption is part of the theater, yet even here the experience remains cultivated, with wafting acceleration designed to soothe rather than shock. Open the rear-hinged coach doors and enter a realm of craftsmanship. Acres of wood, finely finished metal, and vast expanses of supple leather line the cabin. Should you wish to support the arts, the dashboard's glass-covered gallery can showcase custom artwork in place of standard trim. The extended wheelbase stretches the Phantom by 8.6 inches, gifting limousine-like legroom and a dramatic sense of space for gracious arrivals and departures. Rear passengers enjoy true indulgence, massaging bucket seats, deep pile carpeted floor mats, and a refrigerated console for perfectly chilled libations. Screens motor down from the seatbacks to deliver rear seat entertainment, complete with live satellite television feeds. Discrete remote controls manage audio and navigation, ensuring guests never miss a score, headline, or appointment. Everything is orchestrated for comfort, privacy, and ceremony. At the front, technology is concealed with theatrical elegance. A 10.3-inch infotainment display hides behind a full-width glass panel, controlled by a rotary knob on the center console. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keep devices seamlessly connected, and the standard 18-speaker audio system surrounds the cabin with rich sound. A bespoke 18-speaker upgrade is available for those who desire a tailored acoustic signature to match their commission. The Phantom's safety suite favors subtle assurance over intrusion. Forward collision warning and lane departure warning are standard, complemented by front and rear parking sensors for confident maneuvering. Adaptive cruise control is available, and the options list can include night vision and a distinct laser light system. Warranty coverage underscores the brand's promise, 4 years of limited and powertrain protection with unlimited miles, plus complimentary maintenance for the same term. There is also theater on the outside. For 2026, Rolls-Royce celebrates a century of Phantom with the Centenary Private Collection, a limited run of 25 cars. Each wears an exquisite two-tone exterior, unique wheels, and an 18-karat gold Spirit of Ecstasy. Inside, hand-woven upholstery deepens the craftsmanship narrative. Rolls-Royce has not released pricing, and no matter, these commissions are believed to be already spoken for. Bespoke is the soul of Phantom ownership. One does not simply choose a car from the lot, a team collaborates to specify paint, veneers, embroidery, and the smallest details. From color-matched travel luggage to commissioned artwork, every touchpoint can be personalized. We cannot presume which options suit your tastes, but we can suggest the extended wheelbase if rear seat space is paramount. As the saying goes, go big or go home. Numbers tell only part of the story, yet they illuminate the Phantom's character. Dimensions run long. Wheelbase spans 139.8 to 148.5 inches. Overall length reaches 227.2 to 235.8 inches, width is 79.4 inches, and height sits between 64.8 and 65.2 inches. Curb weight is substantial, at roughly 5650 to 5750 pounds. The trunk offers 19 cubic feet, lined in soft carpet, ready for tailored cases and weekend retreats. In the realm of ultimate luxury sedans, the Phantom ranks third among the Bentley Flying Spur, Rolls Royce Spectre, Cadillac Celestiq, Ghost, and Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. Rivals may cost less, yet none match its serene opulence. Built for unhurried journeys and immaculate comfort, it suits owners who value discretion as much as grandeur. On every single journey,